The kernel. Core of the operating system. The kernel is the central part of an operating system that manages hardware resources and communication between software and hardware. It is responsible for memory management, process scheduling, and input-output operations, ensuring that programs run smoothly by directly interacting with the system's hardware. The shell. User interface for interaction. The shell is a user interface that allows interaction with the operating system through commands. It can be either command line based, CLI, or graphical, GUI. The shell interprets user inputs, sends them to the kernel for processing, and displays the results, acting as an intermediary between the user and the system. Kernel's role in system resource management. The kernel controls and allocates system resources such as CPU time, memory, and storage. It ensures that processes run efficiently without interfering with each other, providing the necessary services for the software to perform tasks like running applications or accessing files. Shell's function in command interpretation. The shell's main function is to interpret user commands and pass them to the kernel. In a command line shell, users type text-based commands, while in a GUI shell, users interact with icons and windows. The shell then translates these actions into system-level requests handled by the kernel. Kernel operates in the background. The kernel runs in the background, constantly managing system resources and ensuring the system operates efficiently. It operates at a low level, often with privileged access, meaning it has full control over the system's hardware and is critical for the operating system's stability. Shell provides a layer of user interaction. While the kernel works silently in the background, the shell offers a direct interface for users to interact with the system. Users rely on the shell to execute commands, run programs, and access files, making it the bridge between the human user and the underlying system functionality. Kernel security and protection mechanisms. The kernel plays a critical role in security by enforcing access controls and isolating different processes. It ensures that one program cannot corrupt another's memory space or interfere with system processes, which helps maintain the overall integrity and safety of the operating system. Shell customization and scripting capabilities. The shell allows for customization through scripting, enabling users to automate tasks. Users can write scripts to run commands in sequence, set environment variables, and create aliases, making the shell an essential tool for power users and system administrators. Kernel and shell. Separate, yet dependent. Though the kernel and shell are distinct, they are interdependent. The kernel provides essential system services, while the shell makes those services accessible to users. Together, they form the backbone of an operating system, combining deep functionality with user accessibility.